So the question is, have I ever used a formalized goal setting or decision making model? I have not, and I actually searched for them online, and I think there's just a whole bunch of different ones. Um, do I think they would be effective for you? My first answer was no, just because I think I've already got something set, a system going for myself. And that's normally what I use when I have to set a goal. I set it and I figure out what steps I need to take to make it happen. Sometimes it does take me a little longer. Normally, I'm a really big planner, and so for me, I use my planner, and that's where I tend to jot down what I have to do and what needs to happen before that. But now thinking about it, I mean, maybe if there was something that could help my system be a little more effective, that would probably be great. I think if I had something in place when I was younger, that would have been awesome. Just because you don't get to where I'm at um, really really fast, really easy. It happens along the ways, and so I think that it's taken me a while to find something that works for me. Um, but I think that would have been very helpful. I think that's something that I would like to look into for my future students, just because I think that sometimes you just don't know how to do it, how to get started, how do you um, take the first step. And so that's something that I would love to have more information on so I can present that to my students and hopefully help them out with, taking that first step and setting a goal. Maybe, it could be college, career related, or anything else. Maybe something having to do with some personal issues or social emotional stuff. So I do like the idea, but I have never done it. Thank you.